start. How can you attach the wire to the high chimney? Second line. They were due to arrive at 5 but were delayed a long time at week. Third line. You should verify each item on the bill. Fourth line. Do you like the new tire you have had put on the car? Fifth line. Few of the party knew why you had to go to Newquay on the 10th of July. Sixth line. A week ago, I saw Doyle, but he had no time to give to my work. He had to hurry for the boat. Full stop.